Today, I'm going to show you how to download and install Steam in a simple and quick way. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to the channel to support the content. Let's get started. First, open any web browser you normally use. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. On Google, search for Steam. Usually, the first result you see will be the official Steam website. Even so, make sure you're clicking on the official Steam site and not a fake one. Click on the website and you'll be taken to Steam's main page. To install Steam, click the green Install Steam button at the top of the screen. You'll then be redirected to the Steam download page. To download the Steam installer, simply click the blue Download button. After clicking it, a file will be downloaded to your computer. You can run it directly from your browser or go to your Downloads folder and open it from there. I'll open it directly by clicking on it. Once you open the file, the Steam installer will start and a new window will appear. To continue, click Next, then choose the language you want Steam to use. In my case, I'll select English and click Next. Next, choose the folder where Steam will be installed on your computer. If you want to change the installation location, click Browse and select a different folder. I'll keep the default location. After making sure everything is correct, click Install. Steam will now begin installing on your computer. Just wait a few minutes while the installation completes. When it's finished, you'll see a message confirming that Steam was installed successfully. Leave the Run Steam option checked and click Finish. Steam will then check for any available updates and install them automatically. Please wait until this process is complete. After the installation is finished, you'll see the Steam login screen. Here, you can enter your Steam account details to sign in. If you don't have a Steam account yet, simply click Create a Free Account in the bottom right corner. You'll then be taken to the account creation page. Enter your email address, confirm your email, select your country of residence, and complete the CAPTCHA. Remember, you must be at least 13 years old to create a Steam account. Once everything is filled out, click Continue to create your account. You may also be asked to verify your email address. If that happens, just open your email, copy the verification code, and enter it on Steam. In my case, I already have a Steam account, so I'll enter my login details and click Sign In. Once you're logged in, you can browse and download any game you want. For example, The Sims 4, which is a free-to-play game. To download a game, simply click the Play or Install button and the game will start downloading. And that's how you download, install, and start using Steam on your computer.